Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted or missing projects in CapCut. Whether you've accidentally deleted a project or simply can't find it, we've got you covered with this straightforward tutorial. This is one of the most common issues CapCut users run into, especially when working on multiple edits or switching between devices. So knowing how to recover your projects can save you a lot of time and stress. It's surprisingly easy once you know where to look. So, let's get started. First things first, let me guide you through this step by step. Go ahead and open up your CapCut application. Once you're in, you'll be at the Home section, which is essentially your starting hub for all things CapCut. Think of this as your control center, where all your recent edits, templates, and projects are stored. From here, I want you to turn your attention to the bottom of the screen, where you'll find the Spaces tab. Give it a click. This section is crucial, as it organizes your projects and helps you regain access to your deleted files. Many users overlook this area, but it actually plays a big role in managing your cloud or saved projects within CapCut. Once you've clicked into Spaces, the next part of our journey leads us to the Trash tab. It's here that you might feel a bit of relief, as this section is specifically designed to store all your deleted projects. Think of it like a recycle bin on your computer or phone. Click on the Trash tab, and you'll be redirected to the CapCut site. Don't worry, this is normal. It's where all your trash projects are housed, waiting to be revived. Here, you'll see a list of all the projects that have been deleted. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific project you want to recover. If you work on a lot of edits, a helpful tip is to look at project names or timestamps to quickly identify the right one. When you've found the project, look for the three dots icon. It's typically situated next to the project name, and clicking it will give you a few options. From the drop-down list, select the option to Restore. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. By doing this, your project will be taken out of the virtual trash bin and placed back into your main project list on CapCut. It's as simple as that. And in most cases, it restores everything exactly how you left it, including edits, clips, and timing. Now, just navigate back to your CapCut application. You'll find that your once-lost project is now restored, as if it never went missing. It should appear right back in your main project dashboard, ready for you to continue editing without losing any progress. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted or missing project in CapCut. Remember, you don't need to panic if you accidentally delete something. Just follow these easy steps, and your project will be back in action. A good habit to avoid this in the future is regularly backing up your projects or using CapCut's cloud features if available, so you always have a safety net. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please consider sharing it with others, leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials. See you next time!